Hello, Enzo. Hello. Ryan. Hello, Evan the fish. Okay, Evan, let me tell you one thing. There's one thing I want to share with you. It's actually Peng Peng read something yesterday, and she want me to tell you, okay? Actually, fish can do a lot of math. Fish is pretty smart. Okay, so we're not going to say that, oh, you're like fish, whatever. Actually, fish is pretty smart. Okay, so let's just give fish like the best reputation right now. Okay, so hello, Steny. Hello, Chapter the Butter. How about you turn on your camera? I cannot see you. Chapter, where are you going? Chapter, seriously, Chapter, where are you going? Chapter 是不在. Ryan, can you help me?
What?
Where's Chapter?
I don't know.
Chapter 不在. Okay, so boys and girls, so
Oh,
let's...
I'm back.
Oh, you're back. Okay, great. Okay, so Chapter and everybody. So
I forgot to use the washroom before class.
yeah. Everybody, please go to the washroom before we start the class, okay? So Evan, especially your fish, you're always in the water. You drink a lot of water. So please go to the washroom and come back. Everybody, go to the washroom right now. Lilac, you're not going? Lilac, 去吧。阿飞，你去一下。Angela 去一下，不要等一下上课上了一半又要去。现在都去。
老师，我也去过呀。
啊，你去过了是吗 ？OK。
嗯。
Capture，你刚刚去好回来是不是？Or to record. Okay. So everybody, I'm not sure if you still remember or not. What happened? My screen is sharing. Okay. Can you see it? The white screen? Okay. Can you see it, everybody? Okay, so I want to show you there is a square and a rectangle. So with the 5 kilometers and 2 kilometers and 7 kilometers, sorry, 7 centimeters. Okay, so can you tell me the perimeter and area for these two shapes?
Do we send it or?
Yeah, send it to me through chat. Okay, so did you finish? 我听到小朋友有写的声音。Okay, Ryan, I have got yours. And very good, Ryan. When you send me the answer, 哎，你第一个是有那个 two thinning 的，为什么第二个没有 two thinning 了啊？啊 Ryan.
What? I didn't even send you the answer.
No, right. Oh, 另外一个
It's
Ryan.
chapter.
That's chapter. Oh my god. Chapter. So
You freaked me out.
So chapter?
Okay.
So the first question you sent it to me is 14 kilometers. And the next one
let's do
is
it.
10 kilometers square. Very good. Okay, very good. Perfect. And the second one, you sent me 28 centimeter and 49 centimeter. Everybody, could you please tell me where is a problem? Do you have a problem? Here?
Yes, I forgot to put the two thingy.
Yes, you forgot to put the two thingy. Everybody understand a thingy?
Two thingy
Okay,
is so
so-
popular.
Okay, so Avon, very good. Avon, your calculation's perfect, but you forgot the unit, right? So everybody, I'm going to explain why the unit is very important to all of you, okay? So think about it, this kilometers and centimeter. So see, if there is no unit, 你会不会觉得这个比这个大？对不对？对不对？这个要比这个就是跟这个差不多大，但其实这个 unit centimeter，这个是 kilometer。This is actually way smaller than that one. Understand? So the unit is very, very important. Okay, very good. So everybody, if you still remember this one, so today we're going to learn the. Okay, I want to ask you: does anybody in this room have ever watched? Let me want something.
A movie?
A movie? Just 1 second. Sorry.
Chappie, I got you on my thingy-mac-bob.
Cool. Your turn.
No.
And everybody, we just review a little bit, okay? So something we did last week. So do you still remember how to do the volume?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, good. You still remember. So we just do a little bit review, okay?
Okay, there we go. Now chapter can't snap photos of me.
So this one is 6, this is 4, and this is 3. Okay, so everybody. Sorry, centimeter, centimeter, and centimeter. Okay, please calculate the volume. And later on, I'm going to give you a little bit harder questions, okay?
I don't like the background. I'm gonna change it back.
So send it to me, okay?
I sent it.
Good job. Very good, very good. Okay, so everybody, Athene, remember this time we're calculating a volume. Athene, 你干嘛给我这么个脸? So remember this time we're learning the volume. So volume is 2 thini or 3 thini. Who can tell Athene? It's all about thing. Very good, Thini. So you give me the answer is 2 thini, right? Right? So now you understood. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to give you a little bit harder questions, okay, everybody? So I want you to see this one, okay? But this one is still centimeter. Okay, so chapter, Ryan, Enzo, okay, and Lilac. When we're calculating a volume or area or whatever, so Evan, remember, the unit must be the same. Understood? Okay, so for instance, when we do before, it's either or km, or kilometer, or meters, or centimeters, or millimeters. Understood, everybody? So they're all the same. But now, they're the same or not the same? They're not the same. So how do we change this? Think about it. I want you to make a guess, okay? Okay, so I have received 3 answers.
Wait. I'm still typing it.
1. Evan sent it to me. Good job, Evan.
Oopsies, I meant this.
Okay, chapter go, I think is Ryan, right? So you change your name.
I'm sending
we
my
saw.
answer. 0.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So because we want to transfer them into centimeters, so 3 meters equals how many centimeters, Enzo?
3 meters equal equals 30 centimeters.
No.
Or 3. Wait. 3
Think
meters.
about it. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Okay, so now Lilac, could you please tell me 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 还是不知道? Yeah. How about Ryan? Ryan, can you tell me 1 meter equals
100 centimeters.
100.
Very good.
Bruh.
Thank you, Lilac. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Enzo, remember? Okay, Enzo, remember? Enzo.
1 meter,
Yeah.
1 meter equal 100 centimeters.
So 3 meter equals how many centimeters?
300.
Thank you. Okay. So 4 meters equals how many centimeters? Evan.
400 centimeters.
Very good. So now how do we do the volume? 6 times 3 times, 6 times 300 times 400. So this one equals
Right.
72. So 0, 0, 0, 0
Yay.
centimeter cube. So
Yay.
let's see who get the first right, okay? Let me see. Evan the fish is the one who sent me the answer right. Evan, good job. Like I said, fish is very smart. Okay? So we're not going into making fun of the fish anymore. Athene, good job. Ryan and Chapter, I don't know who's who, okay?
Yay.
I don't know who's who.
No,
So,
the Ryan, the Wang is cursed. Because the Wang has like 2.
Okay, so everybody, very good. Okay, so
1,
today we're
2.
going to learn something new. Okay, so today there's a very important thing if you want to make a note. Okay, so when we calculate an area or when we're calculating the volume, there's a very important thing is the unit must be the same. If they're not the same, you need to transfer them into the same. Get it? Get it, Enzo? Okay, get it, Lilac? Okay, that's very important, okay? So now today we're going to learn the thing is called absolute value. Okay, we have learned it for sometimes before, and today we're going to plus the absolute value and algebra together. It looks very scary, but trust me, it is very fun. Okay, so everybody, so absolute value is a two very not long line, and inside it, if you have a negative number,
We'll
you
turn
just
into
make this
positive.
number positive. If inside it's a positive number, you stay positive. And do you know why? Does everybody know why absolute value is always positive? Because absolute value is not talking about a number, it's actually talking about a distance. Okay, everybody? So we have a 0, so we have a -4, and we have a 4 here, right? So the absolute value is actually talking about the dot to the 0 point. So -4 to 0, the distance is 4. And 4 to 0, the distance is also 4. So absolute value is talking about a distance. So that's why there's no negative distance. So that's why it is always positive. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's pretty easy. Okay, so for instance, we have -6, okay, -8, and 0, and 4, and 8, and -2.5, and 4, negative 4.7,
I'm gonna
and
just
sorry,
speed run through all these questions.
and absolute value of -0.5. Okay, so one by one. The first question, chapter Gao, can you tell me what is the answer?
The actual chapter count or the
I don't know. I just call your name by the name
okay
you gave it.
chapter? Who should answer it?
So you're the chapter Gao, right?
Okay, fine. It's 6.
Thank you. Number 2, Enzo, can you tell me -8 equals what? -8 absolute value.
8.
Very good. And Ryan Wan. So can you tell me what is the absolute value of 0?
0.
Very good. So
You know,
the
I would
absolute
just
value of
purposely
4 equals what? Lilac. Lilac? Lilac? 你到哪儿去了？
What did you say? I didn't hear you.
Yeah. So 你为什么没有听到呢？你是不是又没有好好上课啦？对不对？ Okay, so 4 absolute value equals what?
4.
Very good. Okay, so Evan the fish.
8.
Very good. And -2.5, Athene.
2.5.
Very good. And -4.7 equals what? Brady.
4.7.
Very good. Last one. Who do it? Let me see. Ryan. Ryan Wan, can you tell me the negative half?
so weird.
Negative half absolute value equals what?
0.5.
Still 1/2. Okay, still 1/2, whatever. So don't worry about it. It's just like that. Okay, so do you get it, everybody? Do you understand? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we're going to move forward and see if we have a calculation inside it. Okay, so it's a little bit harder. So for instance, 5 minus 1 and 1 minus 5 absolute value, and 3 minus 5 absolute value, and 2, 5 minus 10 absolute value, and 11 minus 12 absolute value, and 13 minus 15 absolute value. Okay, so I just
Is it gonna be plus?
-5 plus 3 absolute value. Okay, so this question is for Ryan. Okay, so everybody,
wait, no,
one, two, three,
wait, no,
four,
not, wait,
five,
I'm
six,
not Ryan.
7 questions. I want all of you starting to calculate it, and we're going to do a one by one. Okay.
I'm not Ryan, so I'm not doing it. I'm chapter.
I'm going to call each of your names, so you never know.
Yay.
Okay, so have you finished, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at the first one. The first one, I'm going to give it to Enzo. Enzo, can you tell me the first question? 5 minus 1 absolute value equals what?
4.
Very good. So next one, I'm going to give it to Brandy. So Brandy, can you tell me 1 minus 5 absolute value equals what?
4.
Wow, good job, Brandy. Good job. So 3 minus 5, Athene. It's
2.
the channel one. Athene, okay, Athene, give me the answer. Yeah, yes, you're right.
2.
Very good, okay. So number 4, I'm going to give Evan the fish. So Evan the fish, can you give me the answer?
5.
Okay, very good. Next one, 11 minus 12. Lilac, can you give me the answer?
Bruh.
Minus 10. Oh, 10.
11 minus 12 equals what? Think about it. 看看，11 is minus 12.
1.
Very good. -1. The
Negative
-1
1.
is absolute value equals 1. Good job. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay, next one. I'm going to, this is lilac. Okay, so now chapter the butter. Chapter the
Okay.
butter.
It's 2.
2.
Go
Hey,
ahead.
I'm Chapter the Butter.
No, he switched back. No.
Okay,
Okay,
so
I'm
chapter the butter, can you tell me?
2.
Good job. Okay, so last one
Monster.
is chapter gal.
So I decided not to be chapter gal. I am not chapter. Who is chapter gal?
Doesn't make a difference.
Okay, fine. Is it 8?
Wow, Ryan.
So -5 plus 3. So it's getting bigger or getting smaller? Of
Smaller.
course, it's getting bigger because it's a number
Bigger.
plus a number, right?
Wait, then it's -2.
So -2,
Yeah.
absolute value equals what?
Oh, that's better.
Very good.
Oh, I'm so smart.
2 equals 2. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, we're getting better. Okay, so everybody, we're going to do another sets of the questions, and very good. I like that Evan and Athene, you changed your name. So
Chapter,
this is
switch
one
back.
thing here. So if you want to change name, you can even change name with me. Okay, just to
Oh
send.
yeah, Carrie, you change name with me. You be Potato King.
Okay, okay. So you be Carrie. Okay,
Not if I do it first.
Brandy and Chapter, you can change your name between you.
Carrie, you have to change your name to Potato King.
Sure.
Okay, I'm changing. Okay.
Wow. My last keyboard.
There you go. Yay.
Okay. So now we're going to do another set of the question, okay? So this question will be a little bit harder, but everybody, it's still the same. Do one by one, okay? So don't worry about it.
Oh, Chapter turned into Brady. Oh, now Chapter the butter. No, okay, now the last pair to switch is Enzo and Lilac.
Yeah, Enzo and Lilac, you can change names.
And it's all my fault.
Okay, everybody,
Okay.
7 questions and do one by one, okay?
This is cursed.
Why?
This is making me feel cursed. Done.
全都做完啦 Harry，
Oh,
你有没有觉得自从换了我的名字以后，你做的越来越快了？
yeah, because I get smarter and wiser.
Very good answer. I love it.
I'm a math teacher. Wait, I have to teach everyone math questions.
And today, so if you have any questions, don't ask me. Ask, your teacher.
Okay, everyone, here's a bonus question. Impossible question. Wait, no. This is the impossible question. Wait, why am I saying chapter?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Well, now I have your face. Thank
What
you.
is this? Please answer. Tell me in the chat.
Window.
Yay! The fish got it right. Congrats. Yay.
What a fish.
Okay, time to clear everything. Who keeps on messaging me? Oh, it's the Hong Kong Chi Chi.
Who?
My friend. That chapter knows. He keeps messaging me. Always in a random class. He keeps doing it.
Uh.
What? Okay, now everyone solve this.
Okay, everybody. So I'm going to, yeah, whom is there? So I'm going to give each of you one questions, and you just write your answer yourself. Okay. So Carrie,
老师，我这 computer
Yay! I gotta write my own.
and Andy,
Okay, we get our little private area.
Thank you. Okay, Tua.
Enzo, and this is Lilac.
老师，
Uh-huh.
Everyone just
Color.
write it.
老师，
I'm
我
gonna
这
change
computer
this.
你不会，我来写好不好？你用嘴巴说，轮到你的时候说。
好，
Chapter
Not chapter. I don't have to deal with that question.
Butter and Avon.
Yahoo! I answered it already.
Okay, everybody, just to do the question and write the answer on that. Okay.
It's kind of ugly.
Okay, I know I'm right because I'm the teacher. So there we go.
I don't like it thicker.
Yay!
No.
What
Oh,
is? I'm check marking too many things. Why am I still chaptered?
that's your problem. Oh, this.
Hold on, wait. I don't even know everyone's name. What is this? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Who is? Let's see what chapter's doing. Yay! Chapter smart. Yay.
Got it right.
Okay. If my answers is there's just I'm just seeing
How
my
do
answer.
you know you're right, first of all?
I don't know. Every single answer that I'm looking here is the correct. So it's the same on my paper, so it's probably the correct, I guess.
Okay, everybody. So Enzo, what is the answer? You can just tell me then.
it's 8.
OK，好，我们来看看啊，第一题，还有人帮我
Where did
读啊
lilacs go?
OK, good, good,
Oh, the fish.
good,
The
good,
cute little fish.
good,
Oh, the fish.
good.
I check marked everyone already.
Alec, where's your answer?
Oh, I don't know how to. I'm on a computer and I don't know how to draw.
OK，那你告诉我，我帮你写。
Few options and annotate.
Let me count my answers. I didn't mark it.
I answered that.
8.
OK, very good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 8. OK, very good.
I'm
OK,
gonna
so
draw a
now,
Carrie since I'm bored.
everybody, so now we're going to get even harder. OK. So I want you to do this one. Let me just to tell you one thing. There's a secret I want to tell you. I'm not going to tell anybody else other than this. Okay. So if you see the questions like that, okay, so 5 minus 7. Okay, so you know that this number is smaller than that, right? So obviously it's a negative number. So could you please immediately rewrite to that 7 minus 5 equals 2. Get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, so because I want you to show how you get it. For instance, 3 minus 8 equals what? Equals 8 minus 3 equals 5. But if you have 8 minus 3 absolute value, so it is still 8 minus 3 equals 5. Get it? So that means when you have a negative number inside an absolute value sign, then remember always what? Always reverse it. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, very good. Okay, so this is a part we're learning today, okay? But now we're going to do something a little bit harder, okay? I'm not sure if you can do it, but let's try it. Okay, the worst case scenario is like you think it is too hard and everybody end up crying. And I don't care, you know. Yeah, it's not me. No, I cared, okay? I'm just kidding. And I promised you there's nobody is going to end up crying, okay? So let's take
Yay.
this one. So where's the thing? Where's my
I've seen Ryan cry before.
Ryan, because of the question is too hard and he cried?
Yes.
No, but I'm Carrie. I'm a
Yeah.
math teacher.
Okay, so now let's take a look at these questions. Okay, there are 20 questions. I think these are too easy. So we're going to focus on something looks very scary. But everybody, do you trust me? Do you trust me? So if you trust me, we can do it one by one, okay? So let's take a look at this one. Looks very scary, okay? But don't be scared, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So -2 absolute value equals what? Enzo,
Negative equal 2.
very good. So
2
minus,
minus half. Oh wait, though that's
very
easy.
good. 2 minus because -1 absolute value equals 1. So
Oh, that's so easy.
minus half equals what? Equals
1
1
half.
and 1 over 2 and done. Okay, so now let's do
So
number
easy.
22. Okay, I'm not going to help you because I think this question is pretty easy. So everybody, let's do this questions and you send me the answer by chat, please.
The name thing is The name thing is confusing me.
做完了？哦，你不知道把答案发给谁了，是不是？
I'm gonna send it to Ryan.
Yeah, I'm the teacher. Everyone send it to me.
Or am I?
I 对，做好的小朋友发给老师啊。
I sent it to Ryan.
Why is there so many weird answers that I'm getting? Okay, I'm gonna have to. Oh wait, no, this is chapter. What is everyone doing?
Okay, so now I have received the answer. Okay, most of you get it right. So let's take a look at this one. 8, we don't have to do anything, right? Chapter the butter. So let's see, minus, so 2 minus 12. So we know that because this one's smaller than that, how do we do it? Just using 14, the minus 2, so equals 12. Okay, so minus, so it's negative, became positive. So it became 2 minus 12, sorry, 8 minus 12 minus 2. So equals what? 8 minus 14. So the answer is -6.
Yahoo.
Okay, so everybody, number 23, still very easy. Okay, so try to do it without my help.
Done.
这道太简单了，对不对？因为这边是什么？ So negative, there's no more negative, so it's 3 over 6 times 6. Okay, so 6 and 6 are gone, so the answer is 3. Correct, everybody? Okay.
Finally, chapter sends something that is correct.
So 24, question 24, okay? Please do the 24 yourself.
The name thing is confusing my brain. Ah, now I know.
Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at the first one. Okay, Athene and chapter the butter. I mean brandy. Okay, 你们觉得这里有点难了，对不对？没关系，我们一点点来做啊。So absolute value 5 times negative 3 equals what? So Athene, can you tell me 5 times 3 equals what?
15.
No, you're Evan the fish.
15.
Yes, but there is negative sign there. Okay, so we just put the negative sign. So one by one, don't try to do it at the same time. Okay, so chapter the butter. Can you tell me here is a negative 20 and absolute value. So without the absolute value, this one equals what?
Now
20.
20.
Yes, very good. Correct. So just copy it down. Okay. So now let's do the second layer. So Brandy, can you tell me? So here is negative 15. So with the absolute value, so without the absolute value equals what, Brandy?
Alright, yeah, I forgot. 15.
Thank you. 都忘了自己叫什么名字了啊。Okay. So now just every time do one by one. So 20 divided by 4 equals what? Harry Law.
5.
Thank you. Okay. So now we do one by one. So 15 divided by 5 equals what? Evan the fish.
Oh, whoopsies.
3.
You're Thini.
Oh.
There's
Evan
still
the
2
fish.
people who haven't switched names yet.
3.
Thank you. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Get it? So we
Okay,
just do
there's still 2
little by little. We don't have to be hurry. Okay. Do one little by little. Okay. So 25, please do yourself. Okay.
One.
Okay. So I have received it. So everybody, 2 times negative 4 equals negative 8, right? So I'm just going one by one. So negative 8 absolute value plus 40 divided by 5. Okay. So because negative 8 absolute value equals 8 and 40 divided by 5 also equals 8. So the answer is 16. I hope everybody you get it right as well. Okay. So now 26 and 27. So this time there were 2 questions together. Okay. So chapter the butter, Brandy and Carrie Law and
Carrie,
everybody.
yeah.
Okay. I want you to do one by one. Okay. One by one. 不要一下子就很害怕，觉得一下子都要做了，好不好？
Sure. Dan.
Very good.
Whoopsies. There.
Okay, so now we're going to take a look at this one, okay? So 28 negative equals positive 28. So positive 28 divided by 4 equals 7. And 55, positive 55 divided by 11 equals 5. So 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay, so negative 12 plus 4 equals what? Chapter the butter.
Bruh.
16.
No, it's negative 12
Negative.
plus 4. So how do we do this? Okay, so Brandy, let me help you a little bit.
Negative 8.
Very good, negative 8. Good job. Negative 8, absolute value equals what? 8.
8.
Very good. So now negative 4 times 5. Brandy, can you tell me? Negative 4 times 5 equals what, Brandy? Brandy,
Chappy.
Chappy, you
You're
want
Brandy.
Oh my gosh.
So
哎，你们
weird.
自己改了名字，自己要知道叫什么的呀，就改了名字不知道啦。
Well, it lets me
People haven't
relax
switched
more.
yet.
Negative 20.
Whoopsies.
Negative 20, but it's absolute value, so equals what?
20.
20, very good. So 20 over 2. So it's 8 times 10 equals 80. Okay, good job. So everybody,
Yeah.
last one, 28. Okay, last questions.
Wait, no, I got them right.
There we go.
Wait, I skipped question 27.
No wonder
did
you did it so
28.
fast.
I did 28 already. Whoopsies.
OK， 小朋友们加油啊！最后一题。Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so negative 10 times 3 equals what? Athene. Negative 10 times 3 equals what? Athene? 忘了，又有人不知道了。Athene. Athene. Negative 10 times 3.
Negative 30.
Very good. Negative 30, but it's absolute value, so it's positive.
30.
Very good. So over 2. So times negative 12, positive number, sorry, absolute value. So answer equals what?
12. For 12.
Very good. So it's 15 because 30 divided by 2 equals 15 times 12. So 15 times 12 equals 180. Good job, chapter the butter. And chapter is very bad. Chapter
Okay, never mind.
他现在名字改成 chapter the brandy，这样他就知道在叫他了。哎呀，这很聪明的。哎呀，谁的电话响了
My friend keeps calling me, like I said.
？What？你在上数学
It's so
课啊
annoying. What?
You told them, teacher, I cannot answer you right now.
I told them don't call me. I am in class right now. I literally just texted them.
问题是你今天是 math teacher
Bruh.
对吧？It's very bad if you know，就是你现在是 math teacher 呀。
Yeah.
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 Could you please tell them to stop calling you?
I'm trying.
Okay. 哎呀
Why don't you just turn it off? Wait.
I can't. There's literally 4 people calling me.
wow, so popular. I never know math teacher could be that popular. Okay,
You
everybody.
experienced being a math teacher
The
before.
absolute value, we did very good. I'm so proud of you. Okay, everybody. So you know the absolute value is definitely something you're going to learn when you're grade 7 or grade 8. Okay, we have no problem at all. We have finished all of them and you did more than amazing. Okay, so now let's take a look at
Yay.
this one. So does anybody in this class understand that the degrees in triangles? Do you know that? Okay, so triangles is the shape with 3 angles and all the angles is actually having the degrees. And if you add each of the degrees together, they will equals to 180.
I have a question.
Mhm.
What kind of degree? Like a bachelor's degree?
No, it's an angle. It's like this little circle thing.
Bruh.
Okay, so this little circle thing. So if you see one of them is 70 and one of them is 95. So you add up together equals 165. So can you tell me what is angle of this? It's 180 minus 165 equals 15 degrees. So you're just using a little circles on top of it. Understand everybody? Okay, so you can see this one is 6, this one's 85, 60, and 85. So plus together equals 145 degrees. And all together is 180. So 180 minus 145 equals 35 degrees. So this angle is 35 degrees. Understood? So please do 3 and 4 yourself.
The one.
How do you do the degrees thing though? Oh well.
Okay, everybody. So this one equals 165. So 180 minus 165 equals 15 degrees. Okay, so 50 plus 65 equals 15, 115. So 180 minus 115 equals 65 degrees. Okay, everybody, I hope you get it right. So now 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8. 4 questions. Okay, everybody, 2 minutes. Let's finish it. 1 minute. Let's do it 1 minute. Okay, everybody, are you finished? Okay, so now I'm just going to give you the answer, okay? So there is a trick, okay? So for this one, I'm not going to using 180 minus 90 minus 65 because you know what? What is a half of 180? Chapter the butter. What is a half of 180?
90.
Yes, very good. So this is already half. So how do we do these ones? So these two plus together must be equals 90 as well. So all I need to do is just a 90 minus 65 equals 25. And the answer is done. Get it? Okay, so you can save yourself with one step. I'm lazy, I told you. Okay, so this entire world is being helped by some people, lazy but smart. Remember, I told all of you, right? So if you go to A from A to B, you need to walk, right? Okay, so for instance, Evan the fish is walking. So Evan the fish is not lazy at all. 他每天都走. Okay, so 1 hour. He's very happy about it. Okay, so Athene is lazy. Okay, but he is very smart. He said, I don't want to walk every day. I want to get somebody help me. So Athene go to get a horse, okay, from A to B. So use only half hour, okay. So then Carrie Luo is the laziest one, okay. So he said, I don't want to even using the horse because it's so tiring. How about
I'll just take a
invent
plane and fly
bike?
over there.
How about go to get a bike? So Carrie Luo invented a bike. So he biked to this
Bike's more tiring
and it's
though.
like 10 minutes. Okay, no, trust me, riding a horse is really, really tiring. Okay, so last one is
When did the thingy learn how to learn? When did the thingy learn how to ride a horse?
yeah, so yeah, you need to learn
Yeah,
how
when?
to ride a horse.
He's a thingy.
So then chapter the brandy is the most laziest one, okay? So and he is so smart. And he said, how about I invent a car? So from A to B only takes 5 minutes. Get it? So the thing is, if you are lazy, but you have to be smart, right? So like I did, I noticed that it's already half of the 90 degrees is being taken away. So the rest of the two angles plus together must be equals 90 as well. So all I need to do is 90 minus 65 equals 20. Correct? So now let's take a look at this one. So this one, there's no shortcut. 135 plus together. So 180 minus 135 equals 45 degrees. Okay, so this one's 125, so equals 65 degrees for this one. And last but not the least, sorry, 55. I'm doing the calculation wrong.
Bruh.
40 plus 70 equals 110, so it's 70. So everybody, let's take a look at the last triangles, okay? So 40, 70, and also 70. So what is this triangle's name?
A cube?
Okay, so it's called isosceles triangle because these two sides is the same. Everybody, okay? So when you have these two sides the same, the angle is always the same. So let me tell you, if I told you, okay, so Lilac and Athene and Enzo, I have an isosceles triangle, okay? I don't know, I only know the top angle is 50 degrees. Can you tell me what is the degree for these two? And why I can calculate this one? Because these two lines are the same. So that means these two angles also same. So how do I do it? 180 minus 50 equals 130. So 130, how to do? Divided by 2 equals 65. So this is 65 degrees. This is also 65 degrees. Understood? Understood, everybody? Okay, so I'm going to just do this one, okay? 在学校里面真的要到8年级、9年级才学啊，我们现在就来学一下。
Bruh.
老师给你们画几个三角形 okay? It's very ugly, I know. Okay, so please tell me, so these are isosceles triangles, so that means these two lines are the same. So if this one is 20 and if this one is 90, can you tell me what is angle for these? So this is A and this is angle B. Okay, so please calculate what is angle A and S.
Carrie.
Mm-hmm.
No, not you. Other Carrie.
Yeah, what do you
Sorry,
want?
you're not talking to me. Sorry.
Yeah, what do you want?
Hi.
Why do they keep texting me?
It's not that hard. Just make your phone do not disturb.
It's not my phone, it's my computer.
Oh, that can go do not disturb too, right? Let me see.
MacBooks can. Very
And
annoying.
I've done it. Press the little night night button.
Little night night button.
老师，
Mm-hmm.
我们发给你们 when we're done.
OK，好的，很好。哎，你们觉不觉得 Enzo 好可爱？Enzo is a very, very 可爱男孩。Okay, so altogether there's a 180 and 180 minus 20 equals 160 degrees and they're going to share among two angles and they're equals to each other. So 160 divided by 2 equals 80 degrees. Very good. I have received the answers, okay? And I see, let me see, who is the first one who sent me the answer? Ooh, it's a chapter the Brandy. Good job, Boo.
What?
Yeah, so you're the second one, Carrie.
I said to
Carrie,
get the first 5
Carrie,
seconds.
how could you do that? Okay, Carrie.
Cause math teachers are lazy, so they don't always have to be first.
Okay, very good excuse. Okay, so next one. So chapter the butter. Let's see. So all together they have 180 degrees, right? So this 90 degrees has been used. So how many degrees are left here? 90, right? So now 90 divided by 2 equals what? Equals 45 degrees. Understood, Brandy? I mean, chapter the butter. Understood? Even the fish, you get
Forgot to send.
Okay.
I figured out the answer, but I forgot to send it.
哎呀，那太可惜了。啊，反正也是 chapter 不好，不是你不好。Okay, so everybody, very good. We have learned this one very good. Okay, so I'm going to just to take a look at this one. So let's see. Remember how to do the perimeter of each shape. Okay, so perimeter is pretty easy for all of us because perimeter just ask us to add each of the line together, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, okay?
Done.
Let's see who typed it first, Carrie.
Mm-hmm.哇，这次好像是 Carrie Law 第一个哎。哦，不对，不对，不是。
Yahoo! No, what?
Yeah, Carrie Law is the first one.
Yay! Wait, no, but no,
Thank
because I'm
you
not
for
lazy anymore.
saving my name.
That means Ryan's excuse is wrong. So he's a liar.
Okay, so I'm going to just explain the question. Okay, very good, because I have noticed that. Carrie Law, though, you're the first one who sent me the answer, but you also missed the unit, right?
No!
Ah,
Oopsies.
A little bit sad, right? So it's
Oh,
40.
because I'm lazy, so I don't need to put the units in.
And the answer is 36 inches. You cannot using the same excuse again.
Because
38
my dog ate my units.
and 56 centimeter. Okay, very good. So now
At least I got them right.
6, 7, and 8. Boys and girls, please, okay, make sure you get this time right.
what? What's that? Oh.
Remember the units? Remember the units. Okay, wait. Where'd my answer go? Oh, there it is.
Sent it.
No! I've been typing my units onto it. It's just very annoying. Sent it. Ah.
Look at number 6 again. I don't want to look at it again. Oh, wait. An idea. Ryan.
Who's Ryan?
Me.
Okay, so everybody, did you finish? Okay, so I'm going to just ask the first question. Okay, so I'm going to ask Enzo. Please tell me the regular hexagon. What is the perimeter of that one?
It's 30.
Very good, because it's 5 times 6 equals 30
3 meters.
meters. Very good. Okay, next one. I'm going to call Chapter the Brandy.
Oh,
Hello. 4.5 times 2.
Yeah. So how about you do this? 4.5 plus 5.5.
Oh gosh.
10 centimeter.
Yes. 10 centimeter. And then push them together.
So equals
20 centimeter.
okay, understand? Okay, so next one, number 7, parallelogram. Okay, and let me ask, chapter the butter.
Oh, 18 inches. 5 plus 4. 5
times
plus
two.
5 and 4 plus 4.
Very good, 18 inches. Good job, chapter the butter. Last one, I want to call Athene.
24 meters.
Okay, 24 meters. Very good. Okay, so boys and girls, good job. Very good. Okay, so now let's move to the last part of today thing. So today, we're learning something a little bit new here. Okay, so if you take a look at this one, the rectangle, square, we all know how to find the area. But this shape is called a parallelogram. It's a little bit different, right? We have never learned that before, right? Evan the fish, right? We didn't learn it before. So how do we do this? I'm going to do a little moving part, okay? I'm going to do a little line here and cut this part and move it to here. Okay, so move it to here. So equals what? So it's exactly just a 6 times 6. Get it? So how to calculate the area of this one? Just at the bottom times the height. Because if you move this part here, it looks like a what? Rectangle, which something we know, right? Okay, so everybody, Enzo and Lilac and Carrie-Lo and Chapter the Butter, Chapter the Brandy, let me tell you one secret, okay? Math, being your math teacher, it's impossible for me to tell you every single thing. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, it's impossible. Okay, never had such kind of thing existing in this world. But the thing is, you can transfer something you don't know to something you know. For instance, okay, everybody, you take a look at this one. You look at this one, you said, okay, Ivan the fish said, oh, I'm starting to wondering if this is because I'm a fish. I never recall that my teacher has told me this. Okay, Enzo, right? And Chapter the Brandy, right? But the thing is, if you cut this off and you move this part here, you said, oh, I know how to do it. It's exactly just 6 times 6 equals 36 meters square. Understand, everybody? Okay, you can help yourself. Don't always wait there and say, huh, my teacher is going to tell me everything. No, I'm not such kind of teacher. Okay, I want you to tell yourself and try to teach yourself. Okay, so 10, 11, and 12, very easy. Okay, everybody, please send me the answer by chat.
Area or perimeter?
Send it.
bruh. Sent it.
有没有放那个 ？Okay, okay, okay. I have received the answer. Okay, so Enzo, did you finish the two thingy? 别的都对了啊，速度也很快，可惜忘了 two thingy. So the answer is 80 inch square, 35 kilometers square, and 49 inch square. Good job, boys and girls. Today we did very good. Okay, I'm so proud of you because we have learned so many new things. We have learned the absolute value. We have learned the shape of the triangles, right? Isosceles triangles, and we know how to. So, what is the degrees inside a triangle? 180.
80.
Very good. And we also learned how to calculate very, very, very 麻烦的 absolute value, right? Very complicated absolute value. And good job, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed today's class. And I'm so proud of all of you because you did amazing. You did an amazing job. Okay. So, boys and girls, that's it for today's class. And don't forget to do your homework. And we're going to see each other next week. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.